to Hollywood, show you where all those cool people stood. We can speed through the hills in my rent-a-car, then we'll stumble down into the clubs and bars. We'll mingle like we were a couple of Hollywood stars. I'll show you the it in Hollywood. We'll walk past the ropes like we own the hood. We can play like we're the heavies in town. Then we'll get real drunk and show everybody that we can get down. And then we'll become infamous and mess with everyone because we own this town. I'll tell you what's up in Hollywood. You step on those peasants to get to where you should. We'll get our own reality show and we'll walk around like a couple of rock stars. Then we'll leave this dirty town and all its stupid, dumb clubs and bars. And now we show the world that we are stars. Teach you how to become a star in Hollywood, but things might not turn out the way the cookies are in Hollywood. Oh, I love Hollywood. In Hollywood, they all wanna be like us.